So ever see a kitty cat with 5 toes on each foot? Well, this kitty has that because she's called a polydactyl or a Hemingway. And this kitty has thumbs too. This kitty has thumbs on her front paws, as you can see. They are called Hemingways because actually this cat did come from Florida, so she could well be related, or maybe a distant offspring from one of Ernest Hemingway's cats, because he collected these polydactyl cats. So yeah, I mean her back feet look almost just like ours, 5 toes.